Does this part ever get old? It doesn't for me. I love this part. Let me know in the comments below. Midnight Maroon, baby. Here we go. Try to do this without looking directly into the sun. All right, got Mama's car out of the way. Just give us more room, move the camera around, whatnot. Today, I'm dialing in the exhaust, get that completely wrapped up. And my next house is not gonna be in the path of an airport. I swear. Anyway, while that airplane flies away, I'm gonna get set up here and we'll get on the exhaust. So, let's get her did.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That surprise me the most. You lies, I'll do what I want.
Alright, what I'm going for first, like right out of the gate, is an easy win. So what I've got are the exhaust tips that I made. They're basically just cut off regular pipe, and I painted them with a high temperature primer and then with a ceramic high temperature paint. So it's the paint you would use on an exhaust manifold or something like that. So clear out here at the end on the tips. Should be perfect for that. This is a dramatic angle. Let's see if I can get this to show. This is really hard to show. Two tips coming out, one from each side of the motor. And anyway, they're gonna poke out just barely, but they'll be visible. They're black. They're gonna look pretty sick, I hope. So let me get them on there and then we'll take a closer look and you guys tell me what you think.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
It's gonna be sick. That's gonna be awesome.
But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same.
Pretty awesome, right? Yeah, I think so too. They're not perfect, but then again, nothing on Midnight Maroon is going to be absolutely perfect. Just going for functional and different, making Midnight Maroon our own. Let's get started on some other stuff. I did notice there's one hanger down there that still needs to be kind of tweaked and fixed a little bit. So I'll take care of that. I got to get these, and that sun's brutal. These are the gaskets that go between the exhaust manifold and that first stretch of pipe, the down pipe. So I got to get these things installed. That should seal up the entire unit and it'll be ready to run. A couple more hangers to put on too. Here's what I have left. Got 3 total hanger brackets. I used some of it on Wallace the 66. Kind of interchanged some parts because I was doing both at the same time. So, but that's what I have left out of this project. There's one more of those bushings from Midnight Maroon, or from Wallace the 66, I should say. But with all that, I should easily be able to wrap up this entire project and get the exhaust checked off the list.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
So that wraps up the Heartthrob exhaust install on Midnight Maroon. Thank you guys for watching. This is Troy with Troy's Garage, inviting you. No. If you feel like I've deserved it, please hit that like button. I appreciate that. Also, subscribe, ring that bell. That does some magical stuff, and somehow you know when I post stuff. It's like magic. Follow me on Instagram. That name will be changing to Troy's Garage as well. Formerly DIY Home and Auto. I'm in the process of changing all the things to Troy's Garage, but in this transition period, I'm not sure when this video will post compared to when I actually changed the channel name and that sort of thing, but the future stuff will be known as Troy's Garage. So, welcome to Troy's Garage. Appreciate that, and be sure and follow along. Midnight Maroon is making good progress. We've got videos on Wallace the 66, a couple other things in the works, and you won't want to miss out on any of that. Appreciate you following along. See you guys in the next video.